This is Binay, and in this video I'm going to show you some of the tips and tricks for the Lenovo K8 Plus, using which you can enhance the functionality of your device. So let's start. The first thing is a double tap to turn the display on. As you all know, the Moto devices has nowadays Moto display, through which you can see all the notification. This device has also something like that. If you double tap on the screen, it will wake the screen up and you can see all the notification like this. Even if the device is locked, you can see the notification without lifting it up. So how to enable this? Let me show you. You have to go to settings. Under the display option, you will see an option like double tap to turn the screen on. Yeah, here it is. From this option you can turn the device, that feature on or off. Next thing is the music key. Yeah, this one. Like the Samsung devices has a Bixby key nowadays, this device has a music key. You can play or pause or next or previous, or you can also map it to some other application. Let me show you that. We have a dedicated option for a music key. Let me show you. Yeah, that's it. I have set it for an application. Let me show you how to set that. If you want to take a screenshot, you can also do that. If you select the app, then when you press it down, it will quickly launch the app. Let me choose the settings for that. If I want to open settings with that button, so if I press it once, it will launch the settings. As you can see, we can also map it to a flashlight. As you can see, if I press it once, it will turn on the flashlight. So it's a great move in my opinion. You can use it in your way, in which manner you would like. Next thing is the fingerprint scanner feature. If you want to click a picture with a fingerprint scanner, you can also do that. By opening the camera, you simply have to touch the fingerprint scanner and hold it for once. It will click the picture directly. So you can also click a picture with a fingerprint scanner. This also works with a front facing camera. Next thing is the VR support. Yes, all the Lenovo devices has nowadays a dedicated system for VR or a dedicated VR mode. How to enable that? You have to press the volume button and hold it. You can see a VR split screen mode. When you select that, it will directly transform into Theater Max or VR mode, and you can use a VR headset or a VR glasses to enjoy the content. And how to go back to a normal mode? You can directly press the power button and select normal mode or VR split screen mode disable. Next thing is the disabling Google Now from home screen. As you see, if we swipe from the left, you get this Google Now always. So at times this might be annoying to some people, so you can also disable that if you don't want. How to do that? You can simply have to pinch zoom on the home screen like that and go to settings, and after that swipe access and nothing. Now as you can see, if you swipe from the right, the Google Now doesn't come. You can also enable that like that. Swipe access, Google feed. Now it's again available. So it is a great thing in my opinion. Next thing is the allowing the home screen to rotation mode. As you can see in all the application, if we turn the device, the content of the screen also turns like this. But you don't see in much of the devices, when you rotate the device, the content of the home screen rotates. But in this device you can also do that. How to do that? Let me show you. You have to again pinch zoom on the home screen, go to settings, and here you will find a option to allow home screen rotation. When you turn it on and rotate the device, the content of the device will also be rotated. So you can feel it like a desktop also. Next thing is the system UI tuner. Yes, with Android Nougat 7.0 or 7.1.1, it gives a separate option to change the contents of the taskbar or to get some new icons or tinker around with the settings. So how to do that? Let me show you. You have to click on the quick toggles and bring it down and hold the settings icon for a time, for a few seconds. Yeah, as you can see, we have seen congrats system UI tuner turned on. So in the bottom of the settings you can find a system UI tuner, and through this setting you can change the contents of the status bar, like option for work profile, cast. All this will be if you turn that on hotspot symbol off, then you will not show any, it will not show any symbol when the hotspot is turned on. Like that you can do all the things with the icons which are present on the taskbar. Also you can change the do not disturb settings, like from volume buttons and power notification controls from this. So it's a great thing in my opinion. So that's it now for this quick tips and tricks for the Lenovo K8 Plus. I hope you like this video, and if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Binay. It's bye for now and hope to see you soon. Goodbye.